Hey, this is Angie Cole with Cole Realty, and we service the Triangle and surrounding areas. So today I wanted to come to you with some fun facts, and most of these were from reports pulled with Zillow, and these are 4 surprising things that might increase the value of your home. Of course, we all want top dollar for our home, and so if these 4 things match up with your home, maybe you'll make a little bit more money. But the first thing is being the distance you are from a Starbucks. If you know me, I love Starbucks, so of course I'd be willing to pay a little bit more for a home because of the driving distance to a Starbucks. But if you are within a quarter-mile radius of a Starbucks, a Zillow report that was released in 2015 stated that your home was valued by increased by 96%. Between 1997 and 2014. Seems absolutely crazy, but once again, there are some Starbucks lovers out there, and that can drive up prices of homes. The next thing being blue kitchens and blue bathrooms. They say that homes with blue kitchens, they on average will sell for about $1,800 more than homes with a white kitchen, which was kind of surprising to me. And I'm pretty positive that they are talking about the wall color, not the cabinets. So don't go through and start painting your home like your kitchen cabinet's a royal blue cabinet. Remember, it's going to be the walls. Other things, the third thing is trendy features. So mentions of, for example, barn doors or farmhouse sinks. On average, those homes are getting about 13.4% more than homes that don't mention those trendy features. So I'm seeing that people are loving the shiplap. They're loving the barn doors, the farmhouse sinks. So those trendy features are driving up prices. And then also, of course, how close you are to the city. They say a median average home in the city is going for about 35% more than the average home that is in the suburbs. So being closer to the city, of course, location will drive up price point. So if you are thinking about selling your home, we have a really neat feature that we love to share with you. You can text the word listing to the phone number 555-888 to get the value of your home. So on your smartphone, the phone number, put 555-888, and in the text box put listing, LISTING. From there, a link will be sent to you. Click the link. Make sure you actually go through the steps. You, of course, have to put in at least your email and your address, and from there, a value will be sent back to you. Remember that it is automated. It's not always exact. Sometimes it can be spot on, other times it can be a little bit off. So of course, if you want an exact value, my team, we would love to speak with you further and give you a better understanding of your home value. But once again, if you're just trying to get a quick idea of what your home is worth, text the word listing to the phone number 555-888. And as always, whether you're buying or selling your home, Cole Realty, we would love to be your real estate agency of choice. So always feel free to reach out to me. My personal cell phone number is 919-538-6477. You can search for homes online or inquire about the value of your home online at our website at acolerealty.com. Hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed this video.